How will digital marketing, advertising, social media, and sales change in 2026? AI has broken every traditional model and is completely transforming how brands do marketing and drive revenue. That's why, like every year at Cyberclick, we've created a mega ebook with more than 100 digital marketing and advertising trends and predictions explained in detail. You'll find the ones we mentioned in this video, plus many more. You can download it by clicking this card or using the link in the description. In this video, we'll explore 7 of the most important mega trends for 2026. Let's get started. One, AI at your service. What should you delegate? Artificial intelligence is no longer a standalone tool. By 2026, it will be another member of the team. AI assistants are evolving into real collaborators, learning your tone, your routines, and your priorities. They analyze data, generate ideas, prepare drafts, organize tasks, and most importantly, work alongside you. The big question is no longer what can AI do, but what should we delegate to it? Because even though AI can automate almost everything, what sets humans apart is intuition, empathy, and creativity. The challenge for marketing professionals will be to find the right balance, knowing when to rely on AI and when human experience should lead. The most advanced teams will design intelligent collaborations between humans and machines, a synergy where technology amplifies talent and frees time for strategy, innovation, and creativity. The future won't be 100% automated. It will be hybrid and intelligent. Organizations that embrace this duality, the precision of AI, and the vision of humans will be more efficient, more innovative, and surprisingly, more human. According to Forrester, by 2026, 1 in 3 brands will lose customer trust due to poor use of AI, while those that manage human-machine cooperation effectively will increase productivity by more than 20%. Gartner also predicts that by 2026, 80% of companies adopting generative AI without strong ethical guidelines will face reputational damage or privacy lawsuits. In contrast, brands that integrate AI with clear purpose and control will stand out for efficiency and trust. 2. GEO and the future of visibility. SEO as we know it is evolving into something entirely different, GEO or Generative Engine Optimization. In 2026, a brand's visibility will no longer depend only on search engine clicks, but on showing up in AI-generated responses from ChatGPT and Gemini to Google's AI overviews. GEO audits allow brands to understand where they appear, which prompts mention them, and what tone is used. Citations within AI environments are becoming the new digital gold. If an AI model references your brand as a source or recommendation, you gain authority and visibility without needing clicks. We're moving from click-based positioning to response-based positioning. Content must now be structured, verifiable, and trustworthy not only for users, but for the AI models that read, process, and synthesize this information. AI is learning to evaluate relevance, trust, and context. It's no longer about how many backlinks you have, but who cites you and how. Backlinks matter less than credible citations, earning mentions in reputable publications, strengthening brand trust, and improving sentiment. And the most disruptive change, AI will integrate with direct transactions. Platforms like ChatGPT and Perplexity are beginning to allow purchases directly inside the conversation. This means brands must optimize their presence not just for traffic, but for in-AI conversions. And of course, advertising will arrive. AI-generated ads will soon appear in these spaces, much like Google Ads transformed search. Many expect OpenAI to launch its own ad system in 2026. Voice search will also rise, and in voice, there's only one winner. Assistants give a single answer to questions like, what's the best provider, or who is the industry leader? Optimizing for conversational queries and becoming the authoritative voice will be essential. Finally, keywords no longer rule, topics do. AI models care about whether your content fully and coherently covers a subject. Winning strategies in 2026 will be built around structured topic hubs. Forrester and SEMrush estimate traditional search will drop by 25% by 2026, with 65% of queries generating no clicks. Only about 8% of users click links when an AI summary appears. The real challenge is becoming the source those answer engines choose to cite. 3. Automated sales cycles and stronger loyalty. Digital marketing has matured. It's no longer about generating clicks or occasional purchases, but about building long-lasting customer relationships across the customer lifecycle, acquisition, activation, retention, and loyalty. With advanced CRM, CDP platforms, and analytics, brands can now automate tasks that previously required human intervention, re-engaging inactive users, remarketing, segmentation, and much more. The goal is no longer to sell more, but to sell better. This means maximizing lifetime value and reducing acquisition costs. Prediction models, behavior-based segmentation, and automated workflows are turning sales into a constant optimization cycle. Platforms are merging content, discovery, and purchase into a single experience. Users can discover, compare, and buy without leaving the platform. Automation isn't just efficiency, it's redefining the relationship between brand and customer. Loyalty is no longer the end of the funnel. It's the core of the entire strategy. 4. Convergence of AI-created and human-created content. Content has always been the soul of marketing, but today it is evolving faster than ever. For years, UGC or user-generated content was synonymous with authenticity. Then came AI-generated content, avatars, AI creators, synthetic videos. Now both come together as AIGC, or AI-assisted user-generated content, a hybrid format where humans create the content, but AI enhances, scales, or complements it. This keeps content fresh and credible while enabling more people to create and at a higher quality. Brands no longer rely solely on big productions. They can empower communities to co-create using AI tools, from subtitles and quality enhancements to videos generated through prompts. OpenAI's new social app Sora works like TikTok or Instagram, except users can't upload videos. They must create them using prompts, and Sora 2 generates the video in seconds. The result is a faster, more coherent, more participatory content ecosystem. Projections suggest this kind of content will surpass professional content in volume in the beginning of 2026. Kantar estimates short-form video will represent 90% of total internet traffic in 2026, so these formats will be essential to keep up with production pace. 5. Agentic e-commerce, a frictionless checkout. E-commerce is changing dramatically. In 2026, a new model emerges where AI acts on your behalf, agentic commerce. According to Kantar, the market for autonomous marketing agents will reach $5.6 billion in 2026. Intelligent agents will discover, compare, decide, and purchase without users manually browsing. These agents will make real-time decisions using signals like inventory or margins, shifting the idea of target audience toward buyer agents. Interfaces must evolve. Add to cart is no longer enough. UI must support human-machine collaboration and adapt to both agents and humans. Beyond design, AI will analyze user behavior in real time, detect friction, and adjust messages before abandonment. Brands that connect technology, data, and design will win. Usability becomes a new form of brand love. 6. Automation and predictive performance in PPC. Paid marketing is undergoing its own revolution. Automated campaigns such as Performance Max or AI Search Max are signaling a new era where algorithms learn, predict, and optimize with minimal human intervention. Gartner predicts predictive ad platforms will boost average effectiveness by around 40% by combining first-party data with conversational AI. But this doesn't eliminate pay-per-click specialists, it transforms them. Their role becomes strategic, teaching AI what goals to pursue, how to read data, and what signals matter. AI brings PPC into predictive territory, anticipating results, estimating potential value, and reallocating budget proactively. Campaigns become proactive rather than reactive. Automation handles execution, humans guide the strategy. 7. Rise of vibe coding and vibe designing. AI is not only transforming marketing, it's changing how we build technology. With so-called vibe coding, you don't need to write code line by line. You simply describe what you want in natural language and AI builds it. Innovation is becoming accessible to anyone. Anyone can create prototypes, products, or tools without being a developer. Designers are also evolving, becoming experienced strategists who define the rules, tone, and intentions that guide AI, what we call vibe designing. AI doesn't replace human vision, it amplifies it, freeing time for creativity and experimentation. Now you know how digital marketing will evolve in 2026. Don't forget to download our ebook with more than 100 trends and insights, and click the card on the screen or use the link in the description. And if you want to go even further, check out our digital marketing course for 2026. The link is also in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.